Alright, this is Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides, and I'm going to be testing how fast this dissolves when I mix it with water, the recommended serving size with the recommended amount of liquid. So this is 20 grams of collagen per serving. It's supposed to be good for skin, hair, nails, and joint support. Alright, grass-fed and pasture-raised cattle is where they get this from. It's unflavored, okay? Had to make sure that I got the unflavored version of this. On the back, it shows the serving size is approximately 2 scoops per container. All right, 2 scoops is equal to 20 grams of collagen peptides. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up right here. And it says you're supposed to combine 1 to 2 scoops with 8 fluid ounces of liquid and mix thoroughly. Now I'm going to see how well it mixes. Now to open this up, there is a proliferated piece to the top, and I'm just going to go ahead and unwind this and go ahead and open this up from the top. And once I open it up, it's a little difficult to do it right there, and I'm just going to go ahead and peel this open. And once I get this back right here, I'm going to fish out the scoop. So I'm going to pull back the scoop and peel back the scoop. And I'm going to mix this in with water. Before I pour it inside of the cup that I have right here, I'm just going to go ahead and pour about 8 ounces of water inside of the cup. That's about 8 ounces. All right, so once I have 8 ounces in there, I'm going to go ahead and take the scoop. And it says serving size is 2 scoops. So I'm going to go ahead and take the scoop and go ahead and pour this in here. And then one more. One more scoop right there. And then once I have this in there, I'm going to go ahead and return the top and just put this back on just so I don't keep it as fresh as possible, fresh to death. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my spoon, and you see it's sitting in the bottom right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and mix this. I'm gonna do about 8 or 9 swirls, maybe 10 if I'm lucky, and just let it swirl right there, and it looks like it's mixed up. Now we'll know once I drink this. If there's sediment at the bottom, that means it did not mix well, but it did about 8 or 9 or 10 swirls. So let me go ahead and try this out. So this is Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides. All right, unflavored version. So, as you can see, there's some that did not fully dissolve. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to add a little bit more water. And it completely dissolved right here. Looks like it's completely dissolved. I'm just going to go ahead and drink this. So overall, it mixes pretty well. You may have to do a little bit more water after you drink the initial amount of 8 ounces. You might have to add 1 more ounce to get all of the collagen down. But it mixes pretty well. I'm not really complaining about it. I really like the way it dissolved. There wasn't any chunks or anything of that nature left in it. So there it is, the Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides.